Gabie Ntaate, she calls herself the cool Christian queen of soul. Kutina Olwarero. Let's get to know the other side of her, apart from the one Jitumanyiko screen, as she does live wire together with Remy P. Oli bulungi?
Ndi bulungi.
So, why do you call the cool Christian? Why do you call yourself that?
What I can say why I call myself the cool Christian is the word cool means you know,
cool.
Here you're there. No, it means you're here, you're there. Now technically as a Christian, people have stereotyped it to believe to Christian very humble, very calm, and they forget we have different personalities. That is who we are. So because you're not that like I am humble, but then I'm bubbly.
Your religion, your Christianity,
No.
you believe in God.
No, yes. So that's why it was something I wanted to start so that someone out there can actually adapt it.
Be proud of their
Yes, be proud of who you are without changing, because mukama wajachusa mutima tatera kuchusa nnyo your natural character okitegeera kujjako ng'oli mubbi ebintu ng'ebyo, and those are habits, not characters okitegeera. So you keep your character. So I said I'm a cool Christian. I'm cool yet I'm a Christian.
Okay, I'm a Christian and I'm cool. Ntaate.
Wanji.
Siruulira nkona muntu mulala. Is it a name ebyaddala oba bino ebyamasape?
No, it's my name. It's my father's name, my late father's name. Yes.
Muvaawa. Bantaate baba baki? Baganda.
I've had Nti Baganda, but technically since it's my father's name and I didn't get the chance to ask. However, nze ndi mukyala Munyoro. Yes.
Then kitegeeza lya Banyoro.
I've had it with Baganda too. Ndiwuliddeko n'Abaganda ate kati nga bo wewe womanyira nti baleka bakuwawe nti bo kye beddira si kye baakugamba, and I don't even remember what I was
told.
I don't remember, but technically but tebaageza nnyo kituteekamu kyakweddira olw'ensonga ndowooza bazadde baali bakimanyi nti tuveeri naye omanyi ndowooza
naye nga mukulidde wano.
Yes.
Okay.
Tukulidde wano.
Mama ye Munyoro.
My dad and my mother.
Bombi Banyoro. So you're a pure Munyoro.
Yes.
From which part of Bunyoro?
I don't know.
Gabie
I don't know much because my whole life mbadde mu Kampala. Yes, my jajja Benina bali nabo bali Kampala, omwe ali awo n'alya Kamuli.
Bwe mutuuka okuziika mulaga?
Magala.
Magala is where?
Mityana, Jeza.
Kugamba eri mwasenguka.
Yes.
Mwasigazayo kakwata.
Yes.
Wow. Gabriela oba Gabie?
Gabriela.
Kugamba wawangalira wano all your life.
Yes.
Kusoma kwonna. Yeah. How many kids are you in your family?
Now that is a question I expected you to ask, Nayenga.
No,
because my parents died when I was still young. I think my father died when I was 7 and my mother when I was 8. So we were raised by my uncle. Wetwakula twamanyira nti ye daddy ne my auntie is my mom.
Tebayawula nti bano bataato ono ne bataato mwenna mwakulirawo. Oteka kuba before they died, at least baleka abaana nga bamanyiddwa.
I have with my father tuli abaana musanvu. With my mom and my dad tuli abaana bana. Nga biologically mom dad tuli bana nina baganda banga abawala babiri abenzirako. Then omulenzi asembayo nanzirako. Naye nga mutata wange nina mu baganda banga abalala.
Okay, musanvu. Okay. Kati badde nyonyola ne mukula ne uncle?
Yes. So kati I find it hard to call my cousins betwakula nabo my cousins. I call them my siblings, yes. So technically
kati kugamba mwakula bana bameka all together?
About 10.
Okay.
Yes.
Bazadde wategeera? Did you ever get a chance to interact with them? Ogezako kubamanya? How they passed on, wali otegeera?
Yes, I
at 7 doors oba otegeeramu katono olaba abantu abeekabyakabya abakuŋŋaanye.
Of course omukisa ogwo saagufuna kimala. No child would love to lose their parent at that tender age. Okula n'olyoka omanya nti if this was like this, if my mom was here, if my father. But yeah, nali ntegeera.
Mwajjanjabako mwalwaza?
Twalwaza tujjanjaba naye mukama yasinga okumanya.
Okay. So n'okula otya ekyejo kyonna okukosa obafa ne bwoba olina ekyejo you have to grow up.
Yes, you have to toughen up and brave it and know that, yeah, now and see, you know, it's right there. Ekintu ekiri kubaana nga muli bamulekwa mutera okula amangu. Like, not mu myaka naye mukula mangu emotionally. Kitegeera, so yeah, okula no genda
naye kisinzira waliwo abasigala mu kwekubagiza okwo.
Wekubagiza no
nabeera mu taata yafa taata yafa.
Kyemanyi ku kwekubagiza is tosobola pimira muntu kwekubagiza. Naye ate waliwo period wetuuka ne kiba overboard. Okitegeera, because fenga humans there is a time nga bagamba time heals. Era kituufu ku buli omu. It doesn't have except mbono tasobola, like if your parents died 11 years ago. Chiba kyewuunyisa okulaba nti gwe oli mu kubunduka okaaba. Okitegeera, your heart, like, yeah, my parents died, but at this point you've adapted to that truth and you're fine. Okitegeera, so
kugaba omusanga nga yeekabagala no
mpozi ng'ojjukira mu mbeera. Okitegeera, olina okujjukira embeera
mubadde ku lumbe olaba abaana beeziribanga
oba n'omanya nti mama wange yafa mu eno engeri ekintu kye yayitamu ng'olabye omuntu ali kiyitamu, then you can actually cry. Naye ate toli mu cry nga my mother is not around. Uba
kumma omulimu nze era bagunyimirwako ba maama yafa. Nedda. Kale kwegana otufuukira ekizibu.
Muli abantu bayinza okutwala nti tumugezezzaako okubeera nga mwesudde gwa nagamba naye logically obukaabira ki? Yeah. Oba ojjukidde mpozi kyenga kyeŋŋambye nti mpozi ng'ojjukidde embeera nti nina
kyalaba.
Yes, awo oyinza okukaaba n'ogamba nali ndabyeko omuntu ng'akiyitamu ate nga muntu wange.
Toyina any memories of your parents?
I do. I have a lot of my mom than I have of my father. Like sometimes I struggle to remember his face.
He wasn't available?
He was, but I think...
Bwe yafa n'okulaakulaamu n'otandika okumanyira nnyo maama.
No, but my mother died a year later.
Auntie, tata bwe yasooka okufa. Kati n'olaba nga mama is the only one.
But I remember him because we have a brother. My step brother looks exactly like my father, so the picture stays. Naye, like sometimes when you're just there, it's a memory. You struggle with remembering so much of his face.
What do you remember of your mom?
She was very tough.
Yakuba.
Yali akuba nnyo like mu Baganda bendowooza yali mukambwe nnyo, and somehow we pick traits of that.
Oli mukambwe?
A bit.
Okay.
Naye eddoboozi mpozi nalyo.
Yeah, mama.
She was ne daddy, both of them.
Bali bayimbi?
They were not, but balina amaloboozi nga bayimba. They were not mbu bayimbi, like...
Bali mu church?
Yeah, mostly.
Okay. So you're Christian, Catholic, Protestant?
Seventh-day Adventist, actually.
So nakwata bibi. Mwawukana mutya?
Nti tusaba olw'omukaaga. Tusinza olw'omukaaga. N'ebintu ebimu technically kati nga wenagamba nti tebalya mbizzi, tebanywa mwenge, ebintu ate tebambala earrings most times. Yeah, they don't wear jewelry about Advent.
Kati yambadde kye tuyita tutya?
It's jewelry, but now I'm talking as Advents. Me, I wear it. Most of them don't.
Weewagula? What is the reason for that?
They don't technically tell you it's a sin, but they try to mold you in a way that you can live without extra. Yeah.
Go again, you part wagam.
No, when you grow up and you start to know about God, you realize that some things are not such a big deal, and like kati omuntu nkulaba farido yambadde pinizo, I know that will not take you to hell. Okitegeera tekikoseza muntu waliwo engeri gy'ozambalamu kati waliwo omuntu gw'otunulako nga
ng'ayitiridde amasamasanya
ng'ameremenyezza nnyo naye if it's humble, we are women and sometimes, you know, twewunda.
Okay. Kyemanyi Advent, when it comes to Saturday, no work. So when you waffe tosobola kujja kukola. Niwe wakuba omuggo.
Naye nga yes.
Oba ekyo nakyo wakyesonyiwa
No, I actually would prefer not to work on Saturday.
Okay.
Yes.
What is your relationship with God?
It is the most beautiful thing.
Don't cry.
No, like I'm not crying, but it's the most beautiful thing in my life.
Okay.
I don't even I can't explain it. It doesn't have words to explain. Sirina bigambo byensobola gamba tuli bwe tuti. But away from everything I have in my life, Baganda bange bani, it's the most important thing to me in my entire life. Okay. With my work put together, buli kimo yakyasinze.
Okay, oyina particular reason lwaki olowooza bw'otyo? Ayina byakkoledde by'ogamba yes, this wouldn't have been possible singa tabadde Katonda.
Biyitirivu ate nga tosobola bitini nnyo by'osobola okubeera nti ojjukiza omutwe bingi, naye kyasinze okunkolera kwe kunjigiriza okumwagala nga sisuubira bintu kuva gyali. Kyonna kisabira nnyo nti emirundi egisinga twagala Mukama olw'okuba tumanyi bagamba bw'oyagala Mukama ofuna kino na kiri, naye yanjigiriza omwagala nga tewali kyensuubidde nti ne bw'atampe ne bw'anaakeera nensaba kino ne batakimpa Farida nja kusigala nsinza Omukama Katonda wange.
Okay. Bazadde we baakuteekamu ensigo n'ey'eddiini oba eventually yajja neekula because of our situations?
My dad of course baatuzaalira mu kanisa nga bonna nabo ba Adventi. Of course I think my dad yakyuka bukyusa or something. Bonna I think bakyuka. Naye nga tukula baganda bange, I have 2 siblings abawala bo basigala nnyo mu church, and there is a times when nawaguka nembeera nga church saagigendanga nnyo nengenda nnyo kale mu nsi
ng'oli busy.
Sijja gamba nga ndi busy nengenda mu nsi
nembeera nga gikutawaanya.
Sijja kugamba myaka kuba mulimu ab'emyaka gyange abataalinga nze okitegeera, so sitera bakuyita kwesigama, sitera kwesigama ku myaka kubanga ntera nnyo okukkiriza nti there are people your age that did not act like you, so tosobola kukisigamya ku myaka naye oyinza okukisigamya ku what surrounded you at that time. Kyemmanyi sitera kwewolereza. I take responsibility nti that time I was wrong, nengezaako n'okudda mu kanisa after a while neera nedda nadda naye naddayo okitegeera ng'ekiri mu nsi kyansika okusinga ki okusinga kye nali nnoonya eri Mukama.
Nga kyali kinene kyali kyekyo?
I can't tell, naye nze muli kati ng'omuntu omukristaayo oba omanyi nti agugamba maanyi ga sitaani, gaba maanyi ga sitaani ate nga saawa eyo gaba gakusinziza ki gakusinziza amaanyi, naye kyosinga okwebaza Mukama nti n'atakulekerera, n'akulaba nga you've wasted yourself, you've done this and that, n'akulaba nti Farida we tuba tugambye you have one of your whole life and you've wasted a third of your one. Ye Mukama n'akutuna n'agamba akakasigaddewo kakwota nako nkeetaaga nja kukakozesa nkuze kye yakolera ddala mu bulamu bwange. Kyova olaba nti emirundi egisinga bwe mba nina gwe ŋŋamba I don't present myself perfect because that person might feel intimidated to come to what I'm telling them to. Era mugamba nti emisobi z'okoze ezimu nange nakola ki nazikola.
Naye it is never too late.
It's never too late. Ate like oyinza okulaba kale it cost me some things, like I remember tattooing my body. I have ink in places I wish right now I didn't.
Like where?
I have one on my arm, I have one on my leg, and I have one right here. And I'm not saying tattoos are bad, but you can actually do without them. No muntu aliyo nga ndaba naddala abaana muwaguka n'okola kino na kiri. If you really have to, place them in places that are not visible.
Kati oyo oyagala n'omukono ogutemeko?
I will remove them eventually, but of course I now know what it takes. Is it
permanent?
There is no tattoo that is permanent. Tattoos go off only they go for a price.
What price is that?
You have to go through a treatment and it's very pricey and very painful.
Baddamu ne bakusala?
It's laser treatment, yes, yekyali effective right now. Naye you know kati ensi ekyuka, you just don't know. Tomorrow someone will come back n'akazigo bwe kati nga yakala yasenga kazijjako.
Kati olinza aleeta akazigo?
Not necessarily. One thing is that
so you're going for that pricey thing?
When I am blessed with the money, why not?
Why don't you just ignore it?
Of course I ignore it. Why? Because neekubagiza nnyo olw'ebintu bye nakola nti kyantwalira emyaka to live with that. Omanyi kati ng'omaze okudda eri Mukama and this time it's really real. Olaba nti sisobola kudda mabega. Naye buli w'otuula omulaba alina ekintu eki kyakozesa. He comes to mess with what already is there. Kati ajja kujjukiza nti Farida wakola kino. Akujjukize nti wakola kiri. Naye gw'ojjukira olina amaanyi ga buntu. So you will definitely feel this weight ekuliko ogambe bannange. I'm not worthy, I'm not this, I'm not that. Like, weekubagiza.
Kati olina bw'osanga ne bakugamba, you call yourself a Christian, what is this? Why are you wearing tattoos?
I know, waliwo omuntu yayimba akayimba, I'm no longer a slave to fear. Like, I would actually look at you and I would move. Something I wouldn't do before. Nandibade newozaako kino na kiri. Naye kati, because I know that regardless of what I have done, Mukama anjagala tinga, he loves me with a perfect love. Teri muntu asobola kujja n'angamba, you call yourself. I'm like, era nja kuddamu gambe Farida, better find something to call yourself to, because in the midst of looking at what I am, Mukama ayinza okuddirawo ng'okyambuuza ate nga wandibadde weesavinga. So no, I have no regret, but I know that I can help someone out there not to make the same mistake. Yeah.
Okay. Around what time of your life did everything turn the way that you did?
Around 20. Around 20, took about 4 years.
No, 2015. Before you came here?
Yes, before I came here, I had already like transformed my life. I think about 4 years in transformations. I was already in Christ. Chensingo kugamba nti nali already nina omusingi ogwa Mukama. So naddabuzi okitegeera naddabuzi nti kubanga nakulya mu family nga tumanyi nnyo Mukama era nga tutya Mukama. So of course my father right now Muslim. My uncle, yes, he's a Muslim. But no, he's a step brother to my father. Tebagatta taata. Naye ne mu Busiraamu muntu nti afaayo nnyo ku kintu ky'eddiini and morals. Like sometimes I said to myself nti omuntu ayinza okukitwala obubi nga ndaba naye mukwemulugunya nti bazadde bange baafa. Namala when malo okula nendaba how everything escalated, I realized that sometimes you don't understand immediately. Naye nalaba nti singa bazadde bange baali bakyali balamu kuba my parents were really wealthy. Baali bagagga. Naye ngate n'engeri gye nalabamu gye twalimu ne bazadde bange twali tumanyi Mukama naye ngate n'ensi tugirimuko nnyo. So I realized that maybe it took them to be away for us to know God the way we do. Okitegeera n'okuba nti twakula to become this. We might have never really become what we are if our parents were alive. So at some point you understand that maybe this is what God wanted. Nti he wanted you enough not to make sure that he gives you the life that in your head you believe is a good life. Gwe ngwa omuntu ngamba kino kyekisinga ye naakola ekyo kyalaba nti kyekyandisaanidde wano kati oba okitegeera. Yes.
Okay. Baali baki bazadde bo?
My late, they were Adventist.
As in baali bakola mirimu ki? Were they professionals?
Yes, I think that was business. Baali bakola business. My dad always came in and out of the country. Yali akola nnyo. He had different businesses.
Okay.
A lot of in-car businesses. Ne rufleyo nga inayo emirimu. So yeah, he was really a handful.
Mami yenga akuza bukuza bani?
Mami yasalanga engoye actually. When she left her professional job yasalanga engoye.
Okay.
So
wavadde nga oli mwambazi kwegamba.
I take it after my mother.
Yali mukyala mwambazi.
No.
Okay. Kale Gabie, let's take a breather to come out with your story. How do you start singing? Tavao to come out. Okay, we have the cool Christian Gabie, who also calls herself the Queen of Soul. Muchala Muyimbi, if you've been with us today, she has a wonderful voice. Era enyimba ze nsufu ayimbira Mukama simana foto yimbira.
Bayimbira namwe.
Nengo akayimba ko kayinenge gikatuteeka mu mwoyo.
Buyimba bwange.
Lwaki tusooka no tusamplinga Mukama. Waliwo kensinga ko kwagala abiri no ketulabyo wali
abiri nayo gwe kala abantu bamutuuma abiri nayo nga baluyita wano
kati ate kali kenjagala nnyo
tuleme kwerabira mangu bakayita gwasembayo
mpakwako katono dakiika nga emu nga tenawera
tuleme kwerabira mangu nti Mukama tatulekulira nti era amaanyi galina bwajje ayitanako tuleme kwerabira mangu nti bye tuwulira biwulira nti n'obulumi buyitamu amala ku bupimo obusobola.
All right, thank you so much. That is one of her songs, Gabie Ntaate. Okusalawo?
Okusalawo kwa Mukama tewali yakuddamu.
Okay, Mama Fina, yali babayita batya Vixen?
Vixen, yes.
Bambi, how did you choose her? By the way, it was her birthday yesterday. Belated happy birthday, Mama Fina. We hope you're doing well.
Ntelo muyita mami. mami nkutumiddeko wooli. Actually, when nafulumya oluyimbo, the people backlashed the fact that she was in this video and the fact that she was a vixen in a gospel song.
Omanyi tulina nnyo akajanja olwo nga bayingirawo nga baani
nga bwe mwenya bwe nti Mukama ampadde ekintu kye bayita peace. Era okutegeera kwange okusinga kuva ejali kubanga nange nakisabira Mama Fino omulaba muntu ng'omuntu omulala yenna bwakeera ku makya ng'akyali mulamu aliwo ku lwaki lwa Mukama Katonda. Era Mukama Katonda mu Bayibuli akugamba nti ababi n'abalungi bonna bassaamu ku kagwange. Abakkiriza n'abatakola ki n'abatakkiriza. Of which I don't believe she doesn't believe, because to me she has told me she believes in God. I'm not the sole judge. Okitegeera nja mugamba kino na kino mugambe naye kino kinakuba bwe kiti, but you can't decide for somebody.
Okay.
Mama Fina we yafiirwa omwami we yagenda into depression. Era yatunyumizaawo twali ne Remy n'atugamba nafuna buli bakakensa abasawo abakugu okubeera nga they deal with my problem and I never really got better. My problem got easier when I listened to that song, I didn't know you. Ye yakunoonya. Yes. Era we najja ku TV live wire yagamba nnyina ayita banne wuyo omwana yayimba oluyimba lwange.
Ogenda okujja ku live wire nga oluyimba weeruli?
Yes. Nga weeruli.
Lwaki nalutegedde late?
Munnange. So kati bwe yalaba, in fact ne video eyo gye yalimu, she paid for that video. Go asembayo. She paid for it. Nge connectinze naye. She's like oluyimba
yasoka kuira luyimba n'akunoonya.
Ye ora wano. Nambuulira kiki lwamukolera mu bulamu bwe n'aŋŋamba oluyimba olwo lwanzikakkanya. So when yawulira olwokubiri, she offered to pay for the video, but we agreed for her to be in it. Olw'ensonga nti Farida Mukama tagenda kukolera lwankubanga nti go okkiriza aleka abalala banaabanya batya obulungi bwa Mukama nga tobasembezza.
What is wrong with Mama Fina? Why would anybody say she's not what
she's a traditional healer?
So what?
Kati kyajja ne mbagamba nti Mama Fina muntu.
Mama Fina bameka bayambi.
I know.
Besides what we all
and I don't regret my decision to put her in there. Kubanga katugambe nti you're judging. Farida, I may not seem the same way you do.
Do you know abantu abagenda ewa Mama Fina okubayamba mu byonna byabayambye bebadde eno ne batandika okujudginga nze abasawo abaganda abantu abaki.
I may not agree
we are a bunch
with
of hypocrites.
basawo baganda. I won't kijja kirumamu, but I agree in the love that I was told to give everybody.
Exactly. And attract them to where you think is the best place.
Kubanga nange wendi wano situukiridde. Yes, ndi ku lutalo lwakubeera nti mwana mbeere nga mpangula obwakabaka bwa muggulu. Naye situukiridde Farida ebintu bwe ntutandika okubikkula biki by'oli mu kukola. Oyinza okuswala n'abantu n'obeera ng'okola ki? Ffenna tusobya. Ate teri kibi kituni mu maaso ga Mukama. Naawe kyokoze ekyo kye bayise okubeera nti ovuddeyo n'ogamba munno atagwanidde kimala. Oyo gw'osongamu engalo Mukama amuyita mwana. Era bw'amukoowoola ayanguwa okujja gy'ali. Okitegeera. So I'm happy that she was there. Okulaga nti Mukama gwensinza tasosola mu bantu be. Ayita buli omu. Mpozi olunaku luli lwalijja n'agamba Farida jangu tugende Ntaate sigala wano. Naye nga terunnakeera. You all have a chance to be the child of God.
Okay. So video yagiteekamu sente mmeka?
Ze yateekamu tetugenda kuzigyogera. Sente zaffe nnyingi nnyo.
Okay. Otandika otya okuyimba? From way back ng'oli mwana?
Kakitone nali nkirina. Yimba mu class, school. You sing here and there. Naye mpozzi question would be ntandise ntya okuyimba gospel music. Sina mabega nnyo.
Mu ssomero wali buno obwana obufuna awards? Ozina amazina? Traditional?
Nali obwana obwo obufuna awards, folk song, nga wayimbye nnyo wazinya amazina. Yes, I was
wasomerako ko ne ku scholarship because of that talent?
Tebaagala kugaba scholarship z'abayimba.
Oba baalaba ssente weeziringa ono ne bw'omuggyako scholarship
era ajja kusoma. No, not really. Saasomerako ku scholarship for it. But it has gotten me places.
Okay.
Yes.
Ne mu sports waliyo?
Ha. Support sizo. Sorry, yo sagala kulimba sibisobola.
Okay. So tandika otya okumanya okay, I can actually make good use of this voice.
Nzikiriza respectfully of everyone's belief. Nti gwali mwoyo. Nagezako kuyimba ennyimba endala ate nga nazo za nsi nnyo. But somewhere somehow it just didn't work.
Nezigenda ne kumpewo?
Somewhere somehow something would go wrong and I never really got to succeed in it.
Ngachi ngabantu tebabufuna oba oli mugundi waya nezikutuka mu studio.
I would lose interest at the very last bit of it and I don't relate anymore. So I stopped. Okutandika n'okusalawo kyali kirowoozo nga ajja kindaga nti sing for me and see what I can do. Naye ng'okisamba. Namugamba nze nga bwe nakugambye Farida
mulinga wegamba gospel tatunda wano.
Yes, nga bwe nakugambye nga tutandika nti seegulumiza maaso ga muntu yenna olw'ensonga babuyita mu bwetoowaze bwange oli mwajja okujja ekinamuyamba okubeera nga kimusitula mu mbeera gy'alimu. Neemulugunya nnyo nga ndaba Mukama ngamba okumuyimbira era namubuuzaako nkuyimbire nfunemu ki. Nakimubuuza nkuyimbire nfunemu ki, nze njagala kubeera sita. Nze mbeera ntya sita nga nkuyimbira.
At that stage where you were lost.
He kept calling because I kept having all these dreams and everything. Naye nga mukakasa toyina bw'okingamba Mukama Katonda wange nkuyagala naye sikwagala kimala kugenda kuyimbira. So I kept making excuses. You can actually sing this world music and you are on God. Nangambo take a waga. I think it was him fighting, but that day I released one, no? Namuteka ku social media. I didn't know much.
Which year was that?
One amazendo was 2 years. It must be about 2 years. Na ye naluteka ku social media where I was in a place toina na cholina. And
what do you mean where I was in a place toina cholina?
Yes, I had nothing.
Waliwo olwokiriza biri biganye.
Yes, by the time nali nkomyewo already wa Mukama nga buli kimu kitambula. Era naye nga ncha struggling n'okuba nti nyimbira ye. That was a very big struggle. For us to come to a conclusion tikati Mukama nange tukkiriziganye.
Ng'otulawo ne weekuba muyimbi kye wa gospel in a send.
I know, like nganze njagala kubeera sita.
Engola abiri tebigenda kufuula kyoyagala. Koga wavadda ng'olina lumyanso.
Nga neekaliza ku Mukama nga mwekalizakalizaamu. Naye natuula olimba wano. Omanyi sometimes people ask me ani akuwandikira ennyimba. I always reply and say nze wandikira naye zibaako okulungamizibwa kw'omwoyo. Kuba I write those songs in less than 5 minutes.
What? So koleke wano lweluliro twakuye mukusobola.
Yes. Wano tata we waluma. It was written in less than 5 minutes.
Wali ofunye okukyuka mu ndowooza noga instead of singing the other music kamalengezeeko Katonda ndabe wakinakwata.
Nali sinnaba. Namugamba like since he kept telling me to do it, nemugamba I also thought I would prove him wrong. Oshegera nga nange mugamba kankikola olabe waneeno wane waffe Uganda sweetheart olabika oli kutujajingira kwa America. So nemugamba olimba kanduyimbe olabe
enkwejjeko
naye nga naye ali mukungamba kanduyimbe olabe.
Okay.
Farida, my life changed immediately. That song was out. Nti naswala mu maaso ga Mukama nenswaluka. Roro radda nanjigiriza ekyawandiikibwa nti trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not onto your own understanding.
Bwalufulumya what was the reaction?
My God. Nali nfunyimbyeko nga abantu bankubidde engalo mu bya bulijjo. I don't think I have ever gotten the grace I got when that song came out. Never in my life. Maasawo nga tugenda maaso nja bagamba ekintu, I'll open up about something. But that was a healing for me. Okitegeera. Nti you will not find me getting emotional about, okay, I lost my parents. Stuff happens.
What were you thinking when you called Emboozi? How ebigambo bino byajjanga bitya? Nga bipouring within 5 minutes you're done.
I don't know. I just felt like
wali mu karumuko?
Yes.
Otudde ogalamidde n'okwata pen.
But I remember crying a lot. And then I just said, if I'm crying, then someone is crying too. So I said, maybe someone doesn't know what to say. Maybe if they said this, God would help them. This song came out, I received very many messages of suicidal people refusing to commit suicide because they had it.
Okera kumacha omazodu wandika. Did you hit the studio immediately or you first thought about it?
I hit the studio in about 2 days after the writing. Nina producer, he actually one was recorded for free. It's a song I didn't pay for. No, no producer, his name is Elion King. Yeah, he's my friend. He's my friend. Kati ya ina studio benako ezo.
You were recording anezili esta item.
Sam. Na ye netugena net recording oliyimba without asking for a penny. And
wamugamba nina kayimba kanyika tugezemu.
I'll forever be
grateful. Ogenda okuyimba. Na ulile chintu ngachonjina Gabie.
He had always believed that Gabie is a yimba. So he just recorded netumala netutekayo. And just like that,
you started getting calls to come and perform.
God is good.
Or performing our church?
Yeah, most times you go to the churches, or inspirational, they need inspiration. They would call you because I think my music cuts across gospel and inspirational. So yeah. No,
Katonda yakoma unayogera nawe after that.
Inali nswadde samulinda kudda.
N'olugenda gwe ne omutwalira.
Naswala ekimala. Nenzija ne mugamba mukama kati ntegeera nti amanya agago sigegange. Ongamba mu Bible nti buli kiri mu nsi kyange n'omuntu wamu. Kati abakubuuza kiki ekisobola okunzibwalira mazima. Naye nga gwe ku understanding yaffe kiri kye nkugambye nti akugamba believe trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your understanding. In all ways acknowledge him and he shall show you the path. Wali agamba not on your understanding nti ffe abantu twapimirwa entegeera. Yatupimira kwe tukoma. Okitegeera. Farida kankubuuze. Singa tuba tudde wano nga gwe malayika nze ndi muntu. Entebe zino nesandika okusituka emisinde kunze naawe ani adduka.
Gwe.
Olw'ensonga nze mu realm gye ndimu it's not normal for ebintu okusituka mu bbanga. Naye ate gwe bw'oba malayika in your realm those things are normal to you. Okitegeera. So kyekyo ekintu kyeyanziza n'angamba nga agezeko okugamba I'm not you. Dekera okubeera ng'ompimira ku magezi g'omuntu. I surpass that. Kimunyiiza n'omunyiiza.
Oluwobeera wange oyogera naye. Time
yes.
You're alone in your
most
role.
Times yes, alone. Okitegeera. And I like when nagambye nti sagala nnyo ku impact kubeera nti nkinyigiriza ku bantu, but I know what I believe and I know what I see. And sometimes he does show messages in dreams. Okitegeera, and you see that something actually it comes to life. Kubanza I believe dark power is there. Ebintu bya darkness, but I believe that there is a stronger power. Okitegeera. So nenzikiriza nengamba okuva olwaleero sigenda kupimira kyosobola kukola. Kubanga nze ng'omuntu andabeeyo, I've done things I'm not proud of, Farida. Nti I'm not proud because nengamba bannange ng'oli black sheep even in your own family. Ng'otunulira ng'omuntu naye Mukama najja nagamba I will add importance to you. Okitegeera. Ndikutuuza mu bifo. Okitegeera. Okubikulirwa kwange kwatandika awo nga nzikiriza nti Mukama ndiwaayo kitone kye wampa okubeera nga nkolera ki.
Kati wamala n'okwata pen n'oddamu n'owandiika akalala.
Gwasembayo namuwandiikira before I came on TV, but that was like a month before. Essaawa ezo I was in a state where I had almost nowhere to live. By the time I was staying with my brother, something had happened in my life that had gotten me to zero. But
what happened?
It is something that had happened, but I moved from that place and I had nowhere to go. Second, ndi muntu ali dependent ennyo. I've grown up almost nga ninge yekuzize nnyo. I'm not disclaiming like mbonti bakuzadde bange tebakola, but I've been alone more than you know, angandinzeka. So I've managed to survive on my own a lot, emotionally a lot. So I go to my brother, I start staying with him. His name is Gordon. Naenga sina na plani, naenga mugamba, I'm going to be staying here like for like a month. Naenga sina chi?
Plani ya.
Sina na plani.
Alwakubuuza Gabie obala kaki?
Ate yamanyoli na plani. I didn't have one, but I had my needs and I had a God to call to. Echo nchogera nga sikirumamu. Farida, nasaba Mukama. Ne mugamba Mukama bw'osengula ozimba. Ate tewezimbya zimbi ozimbira ddala. Nga bw'onsengudde mu kiri ekifo. Kuba nali mumanyi nti nawo wali we nali yali ayagala nveewo. Nga bw'onsenguddewo. Zimba. nentandika okusiiba nensaba omulimu guno we nagufunira
wali omusaba
in like a week. Yes, ate nga musabye mpa omulimu nga gumpe ssente bweziti kuba kati ntandise okubeera nga nkukolera gospel music yeetaaga okupushinga ennyo wano mu nsi eyaffe, and that is the truth. Okitegeera neesiimye ennyo era ngo ekitiibwa n'ettendo nkimuddiza nti owange simusindise nnyo amusindise. Okitegeera naye era here and there you will have to invest. Kubanze siina nnyo, I don't sing for the money. Sirina nnyo kyensuubira nga ntaddemu, nteekamu nemmanya nsize ensigo ejja kukungula mu muntu. Okitegeera azabuuza here and there.
Oyagala kukakkanya mitima gy'abantu.
Nga ndayira nti Mukama agamba never take the Lord's name in vain. He knows that I swear upon his name. I don't sing for the money. I don't care about it. I care that someone out there will have the hope I got when he gave it to me. Okitegeera that someone out there deserves what I got. Okitegeera.
Okay. Oba oli awo mulimu tegwa applyingira for?
Batuyita. Remember nali ne NTV nga namuka history nabo Be My Date we yagiraawo.
Wakolako ku Be My Date?
Nakolako ne Kazoraawo. I actually did appear on the show once. Naye nakolako ne
ng'onoonya obanga bakunoonya.
Nga tutandika nga twagala show yaffe ebeere kyeyina okubeera. So we gave the concept here and there. Naye twakolako ne Kazora because he was the producer of that show, so I work with him.
Wali behind the scene. Bade banyi wajja ng'onoonya.
Naye nga twapiaringako nga twekaza tujje kunoonya. But we needed to put the concept out there so people get to know. Okay, that part was not really that, but they needed people to start the show.
I know.
Naye nembera background. So NTV Zina, I know she doesn't like me mentioning her name, but she spotted me and she's like, there is more to this girl than meets the eye. So she kept putting me here and there. Second chance naliwo waliwo ka Syria kaliwo Studio 256. It was a musical. Zina nefad kebakolako nenkakolako. So I was around NTV for a while. Okitegeera. So when the spot came,
nebakubira,
I received a call. Nalina wakera nali nsaba. Nga ngamba something is going to happen. Mother nankubira, Madam Jackie, nangamba to come and audition for the spot.
Notyamu. Kikira wakayingira Mukama omo.
Yes.
Kiri waggulu nnyo. Bakuleta mu program y'olugambo.
Yes. Nasooka ne mulugunya nnyo ngamba Mukama naye bannange.
Lwaki onsi?
Omanyi ogwo muzajja kunzija mu bujja. Naye manyi nti Mukama byanzijemu bye bingi n'ogwajja gutwala kubanze.
Ogwaki?
Ogw'okujja ngamba but now why are you doing this one? God.
Omubuuza nnyo ebibuuzo.
Mubuuza nnyo ebibuuzo ndowooza lumu ajja kujja ngambye naye gwe watonda ensi. Oba yakibuuza Yobu. Naye nengofu nenzija ndaba abaana gwe abaana
bali bayitirivu
abaana nga bakuba
Remi yalimu kuba akusiba
Remi yaliwo naye Remi nali mumanyi kuva mu Studio 256 yajja na actingako oko naffe lwakuba nali simumanyi nnyo because people wonder how we are that close, but we have become close by working together and knowing each other. Yes. So nga ndaba nengamba Remi nze omanyi njagala bampe ya Saturday. Ndabira ddala nga walonze ndiza obutakola ki obutayitamu naye already nayinamu ne kuli okwemulugunya nti banange nze sagala kukola lugambo. Okitegeera banange nkola ti olugambo biki kati nentandika okubira mikwano gyange. I have like 3 friends in my life, close ones, like real ones.
Okay.
Nemba kubirako banange nze simanyi oba guno mulimu naagusobola naye nagenda okwekubamu mutima neŋŋamba bano beŋŋamba beba Mukama.
Yo oyagala ki? Obadde osaba Mukama njagala mulimu guzze.
Neŋŋenda nenzirayo awo nga nkyali ne brother wange nenzirayo ku mavivi neŋŋamba Mukama omanyi kati nzize nakukkiriza olina amaanyi bw'aba ggwe nga gwaleese kuba kati mmanyi ku mulimu gwenkola ne sitaani asika ayina okubeera ng'ateekawo obutego naye bw'aba ggwe agumpadde Mukama newe bali ba 10 nze ndiyitamu. Bw'aba siggwe ne bwe ndiba mulungi nnyo nti nkoze nnyo nze nsinze walibaawo akamogo akalinnemya omulimu guno nemmaliriza. Twakomawo ku Mande nze nga mmanyi bajja nakumpa ndowooza Saturday ndabira ddala abaana bali bakuba nga kale kwegamba nakivuddeko dda naye nga mmanyi bw'aba Mukama nja kufuna ka sport somewhere. Akujjukiza bwe mba ngaba. I am not a god of peanuts. Bwemba nakugulumiza ndikugulumiza era tubaawo ne batuganga balangirira Remi and Gabie go to the saloon, you're starting the show now. Era nafukamira ku mavivi ne mugamba Mukama nkulaba.
Awo wennyini.
Mukama nkulaba. neyanziza okitegeera olw'ensonga nti tumanyi okwebuzaabuza nti tuli bakristaayo ne tuvaayo Farida nti neeteekewo nze nga bwe mundaba Ntaate Farida oyogedde kagambo kyako. Oh my God! One thing I know that the Lord knows about me is being real. Naturally, I'm a loud person. I talk. Njogera. So what is the difference between what I am personally and what I do on TV? The life might be different. Nti life sijiri munyo. Not really. Nti like people that really know me know that. But I don't struggle to do my job. I do my job. I love my job. But I just know that that person on TV is quite different from the person that I am normally. But not on the talking side. And the other one is a job. Yes, and I love my job. Why are you to do it? I love my job because it keeps me in character. I talk on people. And you dance. And I dance. I be happy every single day of my life. You know, that's joy. I struggled before when I started the job because maybe you have to dress a certain way to attract. And sometimes I made that mistake of dressing even indecently. But sweetheart, mukama nakuza. Terera. Nga womubera muzeyo mu moments za mwegwe ne mukama wo. Nga era kugamba naye kati go osanyo sekanoke weesaze. Wakasanyukidde. Tugende tuwumulemu. Ng'omuddamu ota naye naawe ndeka. Nedda saddamu bwekyo. All right, let's take another break. Tukyagenda maaso. We have Gabie and Ntaate. Tabao. How she had to adjust from the other girl fitting into live wire and theme yayo nebigenderako. She struggled a lot. I don't have to dress indecently. Obupatinga mu bujjawa. Olwani yabagamba mwambali bwe muti. Babagamba eno show ekikula bweti. Mostly even the audience. This one is too decent. This one is what? What is wrong with being decent? Maybe for that show they didn't find it. I don't know. Naye after of course criticism naye eberawo volumu nawo ja kwambala ebitanyumye and sometimes you know and you take it and work it up onokyeterereza kuba one thing I know about negativity is that if you take it wewoje twalira netandika okubera nga digging deep it's going to affect so much physically and emotionally. So you take chosoboddemu noterezaamu kuba you're not perfect. Biki bye basinga ng'obagamba nga mwakatandika? Kati ate ekyo kyo they compared us to the former presenters. They said we are not worth it. They called us ugly. They called us names. But you see, life has a way of putting everybody in their place. Look at us now. Beautiful. We are still strong and we are beautiful. You were beautiful even then, but they were too blind to see. But you see, even when they keep saying you're ugly, does it really matter? It doesn't matter. There is so much to life than pretty looks and pretty bodies, and there is just so much to life. In fact, that is a sign of stupidity and foolishness. Oshtegera kuba omuntu awo tuba tuvuddewo kati wetuli atandise ogamba imulungi tuba tugenza awo kitegera tuba tetusobola kuwuliriza talina kyakola ki kyatugamba. So to me there is just more about the appearance more than the appearance. Saagala nnyo kwemanya ndi mulungi nze nakula bwenti nze ndi batya leka balala bakumanye. So temwatuuka ekiseera ne mugamba abantu tebagenda tulemesa bano omulimu gundi feedback nga sinno kyeneebaliza mukama we had each other. Like never mitwatulanga nyumugane muita mu comments. Yes, ne mubeera nga you're struggling with whatever people are saying na ine tutula ne twenyweza. And the good thing is that she's also very 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 spiritual. Gamba ngomugamba saba tusabe mukama ya agenda okubeera nga atubudabuda. And he did. Oluba boss wa mwenga bagamba ki? Anabonga batugumya. Anga batugamba big table mubere fine. Be fine. It's all going to be okay. They'll get used to it. Omanyi tetwagala nyo change. Change, yes. Yeah. So they got used to it and we are proud of who we are. And some people of course came to me, how can you do such a show? It's a satanic show. Even I've seen one of the commenters, it's a satanic show. God gave me the platform on which I stand. Tenze chenmanyi mu Farida bulungi nti buli kintu mukama kiche nesho gye yampa ye. He has the start to everything ogikozeseza otya.
Yewa waliyogera naye one of those moments. Yakugamba, Gabie, you're in the wrong place?
No, he has never told me that. The only thing he could have complained about is how I was beginning to change in my dressing. Naye he's never. So long as osigala kumulamwa nti omulimu ogukola, you make sure that his people receive the solace they need. You make sure that olabiridde. He's fine.
Okay. When mukola live wire there, I think there are people who feel muba rubbing the wrong way because of muwogeddeko oba bituufu oba bikyama.
But very rarely, I have to commend ourselves. Very rarely do we receive people nga bagamba nti tuba vodde fe. I don't know.
Nebe muwaddeko negative publicity, you give them a chance.
Yes,
okujja ne batangaza eba balowooza bye mwogedde
most times.
Ne bajja boneka
era kyo nkimanyi nti most times fete mukama kyati tetuclashinze nnyo n'aba celebrities. No.
Naye temufunangayo any incident. Oli bwe yajja n'abagamba, I didn't like that. What do we do? I'm going to sue you.
That was just Judith Hard.
Kangu okwogera.
Judith Hard emabega kaawo, but they resolved with the producer. And
what happened?
I think she came and nagamba nti story you're running up, but teyadduka, something like that. They had said she ran, and she said I didn't run, so you're affecting my image negatively. So yeah, she served us.
Oh, nene bikomao.
I'm sure they resolved it, and we are fine because she doesn't have bad blood. We meet her and we are fine.
Okay. Naye olugambo erabika business yamanyi mu Uganda muno. Yamanyi
nawe.
Abantu bebuzabuza naye business yamanyi.
Ate nokola olugambo How do you know nkola olugambo nga tolulaba? Oba naawe olina olugambo. Alulese n'alutambuza.
Mwenna muli
bantu. Mweba mulina olugambo.
Kuba balabako in their thousands. Actually 1,000 olumu hitting 1,000. Nenga bagamba mukola olugambo. They are not living. They are not living. Era baba one bajjukize ne Emboozi yono nga temuyitwa.
Era kawe tugambira tu kola olugambo. Kola namwe. Okitegeera. But by batimirizawo, they enjoy the show, they enjoy, you know, us letting loose and yeah.
Okay. Ekutusizaawa live wire.
It gave me a platform I didn't have. Music wange yali mulungi naye nga it can only go so far. But right now it has traveled to almost the ends of this country and even out. Music atambudde dance so n'okulinya amabaati ali eyo naye nkyebaliza Mukama naye nga ampadde platform enene to use my gifts to be able to kuba abantu bangi they need that platform and they don't have it and here I am.
Olwo abantu bategera batya nti gwayimba musical bwe mubeera okwo namwe mwekolako olugambo?
Twakubako oluyimba lwange nga tutandika show. That's when people started to. Now, of course, some people had recognized that this is the girl we are seeing in the video. Nahenga twakubako oluyimba nga tutandika show. By the time Isaac was the producer na alukuba. So people started putting the name to the face. Oh my God, she's the one, she's the one. And of course, some people conflict with the characters. She can't be the one and then doing this. But you see, I'm a blessing because I have been in a generation where I showed Christians that you can actually be cool and love your God.
Okay. Ababiri bano bawusinga kwawukanira?
Lifestyle.
Live wire ne cool Christian.
Basinga kwawukanira mu lifestyle. Nti the lifestyle nga bw'ogiraba, yeah, so much into the fame, genda wano genda wali is not my life. Come to work, go home, pray, sing, do my life actually away from TV is a very calm life. Very calm, like very, very calm. Nti see yeno. So apart from the fact that kulaiva yanjogela, the same way I talk in maybe real life, but it's different. In fact, the people never know what no one No. So I actually don't. I don't go to the clubs. I don't go to the bars. No, I don't.
You don't even drink?
No.
So what do you do that makes you cool?
Makes me cool? I dress to the trend. I love good clothes. I love good bags. I love good shoes. I love makeup. I love things that other people love.
You love to look good.
Yes, I love to look good. And I love to glorify my God while doing that. So definitely someone will clash with it and I'll be fine with it. You know. Nayenga twawukana the person that people normally see on TV is quite very different from the person that I really am. In that Gabie has two personalities. There is that Gabie and then there is this Gabie. And it's amazing.
It's Gabie and Gabriel.
Yes, and it's amazing.
It is a common, I think, thing.
Meanwhile, even with you, like before we knew you, and even when we came here, she shows off, she's proud, she's now recently I even had
she does what?
She's proud. Now recently now omuntu ngachogera na bwatu kanensika kuba kati ze fadi gwe manyi. Fadi gwe manyi. Kuba you're not just leave alone the fact that nti bakulaba wanono. Mwebale kubera nga mwetweyinzeko.
Tobango njeereza nga sito.
Tuline Gabie Ntaate mu studios. What if Fadi yagenda okubazina amazina yagenda obaseka buseko bwe buli ate yoka high pitch. So definitely I think it's people judging by what they see.
But I've had that problem, I think, since I was in secondary school. But those who get a chance to come close
you're
to
very, very naughty actually.
Just kuchama kirambantu basimanyi.
Yes.
I realize that.
Very friendly, very
okay. But anyway, that's life. It happens to so many people. They have their own feeling and belief until they get close to you anyway. Yeah, so your life has never been the same. What does God say about your new one?
Of course, He expects more, which is scary. Ngomuntu yenango manyinti okolera mukama mu nsi gye tulimu nga abantu abangi beerimbise mu kukolera mukama ate nga sigwe bakolera. You expect to clash. People sometimes are going to come against you. Omanyi abantu kye batamanyi nti sorry okubeera nti ninga abulira enjiri naye people think that Stani ali mu Geyena sawa eno. Tali mu Geyena. Because when he was cast from heaven, he was cast on earth.
Afune batwala.
Ali ku nsi kuno neba malaika abayagwa nabo that are demons right now bali ku nsi wano. Era akugamba, is it in the Corinthians? Na akugamba that the prince of the world is here, but I am stronger. The devil is the prince of the world. Yakulira chiri wano kati yeye tokota wano okitegeera. So he has access to almost everybody. Ke kayimbo waliwo ennyimba nti yo mulabe mukama amulabisa maaso gwe tugota sobola mulabisa ya mulaba wayimiridde nga agenda okukola kekikyamu. So ya muyimirira muki mu maaso. So definitely it's a clash that I'm expected to do more. Naye ekisinga obukulu nti nange omutima ogwange gwagala. Gwagala okulaba nti singa tuka ku Bwakabaka obw'omugulu tubeere nga tuwera n'abantu bwe batasuubira. The one thing I live for is to know that nange naliko omuntu gwe batasuubira kwagala mukama oba kubeera kwe your side. I know what it means to be the one outcasted. Bakusindika eri balaba totogwana. I know what it means okitegeera. So njagala ndago omuntu aliyo nga naye kyayitamu mulage nti ogwana okitegeera. You're worth it osobola. Kubanga wembanze nasobola kuchinali gwani. Eranze are more for the people that are not into Christ, coming back to Christ. The people that bebatunule ne bagamba oyo nedda asobola ati afarida chi oyonze gwenjagala. No yo gwenjagala. I'm here for those souls okitegeera. Because I've struggled with so many things. I've struggled with things like mental illness. I've struggled with things like depression and all those things.
So you have a mental problem? You had?
I don't think it ever goes. Mental illness is something like people. Why don't people come out? Farida bantu batidde okubeera stigmatized. Nti wetwogera kigambo mental illness oli agamba abulako kuba mayinja mu lalu. That is not true. And if I have to say 90% of the people we live with struggle with mental illness. Na yes, stages zichuka. Because people have failed to understand that mental illness is not just depression, anxiety, panic attacks, panic disorder. It affects your body physically.
So komboli chichi gwe kupati yo affect anxiety.
It affects.
When did it even start?
I don't know because I think I even got to know at a very late stage because these things have triggers and sometimes you may not pay attention, so you may not remember when that started. Now you struggle with things like your own personality. You struggle with things like depression out of the blue, because the more you don't treat it, the more it develops in something, a disorder. And when it becomes a disorder, it becomes a disease for you. That it stops being, okay, she has very many thoughts. Okay, she has these mood swings. It starts to be a physical problem. Or rather, you get fevers, you get fatigue, you vomit, you like you get sick.
Go back diagnosing and never confirming it's mental illness.
Of course, they tell you the signs. You're struggling with maybe panic disorder, panic this, anxiety disorder.
What causes panic in you?
That's the point I'm telling you, that I don't know.
Teacher
in a trigger. Maybe then it used to have trigger that you fear something, you fear this, but it no longer has a trigger. And I want, like, one of my basic aims, mental illness awareness out there. Because people are committing suicide, people are dying because of untreated illnesses. Mental illness is just a general way, because these things attack your brain, but eventually they attack things in your body. They get heart attacks. People get heart attacks from just mental illness. They get disorders in their bodies. Now you remember, it's a process. And Farida, today you're going to be with anxiety. They will be like, I don't feel so good, but I'm okay. Or you adapt to being anxious without treatment. Ngatomanyi ate ng'ekyokubiri nti bw'ovaayo n'okyogera abantu bategezaako nnyo okubeera nga bakirabanga ggwe omulalu. You are not crazy, you are just sick. Mental illness is real and it's sickness. Okitegeera nti otuuka nga tokyasobola kweyamba. These are people with babeera ne thoughts nga ziresinga sawa bina, and for them mpuliranye abantu baba judging how can you commit suicide. It's not to that person, it's a solution. They have struggled with things they can't explain. Farida nze mnanja ne ngamba sewulira bulungi puliranga omubiri gwonna gumenyese. Wona kimanyira ojaloza, it's okay for me to feel that way. Yet for me, every action, every time it comes, it's new. It threatens my life. Those people run out of breath, Farida. Nagwako omukka. It happens to me all the time. Ogwako omukka, your body shuts down. You feel your body failing you.
Out of the blue?
Yes.
Yes. Then you feel uncomfortable?
Yes, my close people know that I struggle with something like that.
So baba bakulabye, how do they handle? For example,
nobody has ever been able to adapt quickly to what happens. My parents, they know that it happens, but I have had to take care of myself through it. Because I try to see a therapist.
Incidents could show where...
Because I'm strong enough to take it, but how long? Kati nze nyizo ba strong, but how about a person Farida aliyeyo nga awulira bimutamye? Because webagenda okukebera mu ddwaliro, by the way, they will find you fine. They will find your oxygen supply fine. They will find your body body organs doing just fine. But you are struggling. You're suffering. They run out of breath. Wabera mbantu abanji awulira nga agenda kufa. And when they come to say this, people tell them.
Is that why you keep to yourself sometimes?
Yes, it is why I keep to myself most of the time. Nti nze nyizo banti mukama yambyeko. Nti I try to see a therapist. Na yenga na yesu yegwa nagamba yakuwayo kukerenda kati kukubira masimu to check how your progress is. Nengamba, that must be most of the doctors doing that. Kati omuntu gwe batafuddeko nga si Ntaate mukazi watu omusajja watu aliye yabona awujala kamanange nkoze ntya. That's how you find them committing suicide, because they believe that is the end to the pain.
Or keeping to yourself even makes it worse.
For some people, yes. For me, it doesn't.
Maybe it doesn't. I'm strong enough. Actually, you are not.
Because I came out to say to find out what was wrong with me. But you realize that it's a problem so many people are having. It starts like a panic. Again around, you've not taken anything, and then just like that you're fine.
But usually you lie down, for example.
I pray. Now, I can't say this for everybody. Some people are not that patient to say that the prayer will help. They'll panic out of life. Because panic attack may not kill you, but once it develops to panic disorder, it can kill you. Anxiety may not kill you, but when it becomes anxiety disorder, it can kill you. For you,
what is the worst it has put you through?
Every part of it, every day of it, if it comes, it's a near-death experience. you struggle to stay alive.
Wow.
That is all, and I know so many people out there struggling the same way. Don't keep quiet. I want to start a campaign to just create the awareness of it. People are suffering and they are scared of being stigmatized, being told, you know what? Your head is as good as dead. But that's not true. It's the stages that matter. I may not be that bad because I'm not suicidal, never had suicidal thoughts, but I still take that back to my faith. That maybe I'm well convinced of the fact that I can't kill myself. But I could say mine did go to disorder parts because now it has no trigger. You're fine today and tomorrow you're not, and this happens very, very often. You know, you feel racing hearts. They checked my heart. My heart is okay. It's disturbing to know that they check you and you're fine and you're not fine. You struggle to Farida is fine, Gundi they are fine, and me I'm not.
Fine. We are just strong.
But you don't have to. There is medication for it. There's medication for it, Farida. These people are dying. Every single day you see someone committed suicide, they are dying. And when they die, people start commenting, I should have greeted them. They don't need greeting. They need medication, not greeting. Farida, you can greet me all you want and I'll go and hang. Okay?
Because we don't know what they're going through.
Because they're not getting the help they deserve, because they are scared that the world we live in will stigmatize them. Because people have failed to understand that that is also an illness in itself. And most of them get, like, you have had schizophrenia or that, something like that, and then they die and they kill themselves over and over again, because it's a snap or yangwa chitegera bali eyo teyetegera kati nze lwaki obasisa nze lwaki sina asthma sina chi, but I just freeze and I can't breathe, I can't move. Those things are not normal. And people are suffering, but because they're like nchinyonyola anti echo encha tekiriwo bali ebaloza bali n'emizimu okitegera tobalina mizimu malanga yetuganga baga mu muzimu gwakoze gutya gwamutuze
bamuloze,
but they are suffering and people are achogera otya mbantu. But the moment you realize that this life is yours to live and your well-being is yours, because the first step to healing is accepting that you're what? That you're sick. Okitegera. And
so boy okiriza mwe kolagana yone katonda yakuyamenye.
Yes.
To cut this.
Yes.
And its effects.
Because I've thought about hiding it, but what is the use of presenting yourself into more public or fine or perfect yet osulo tunula? What is the use of that? It is an effect as well. You lack sleep all the time. You wake from your sleep, wake kanga. What if one day wake kanga and your heart bursts? Because eventually it gives you heart problem.
So pressure problem. All your life.
I did get medication, but of course, since the person that was giving me this medication, I don't know what kind of professionalism he had. Na tatafa yo. Yenga bwakuwa antidepressants, anti-anxiety pills nga agenda. He doesn't call in. I called him once. I'm like, is this what you do to your patients? Like, you just give them and this makes it worse.
What was his response?
Mbombadde ngenda kukubira kati. But that's after a very long time. So I hung up. I'm expecting him to check. He didn't.
No mudukako.
I had to for my well-being.
You go to the counter, just get your pills.
You can't get those prescriptions without you can't get that medicine without prescription from a doctor, from a therapist.
So what you said.
I stopped.
So you're not on medication?
No.
Why?
No, I'm not on medication. I'm on medication of God.
Okay.
That is the medication I'm taking, and it's working. But Farida, I can't say that for many people.
And you're gonna be fine.
I am. I believe I am. But I don't want to believe that because I'm fine, someone is. What my aim is not me. It's someone out there. Because Farida, sifenanti tu ine relationship ne Katonda, and he doesn't hold it against us. Okitegera. Sifenanti we are the same level of faith. Njagala omuntu ali aleme kulaja na yekka. Okitegera. Because I know what it feels like to sit here, Farida, nenga gwomanyisa wa yone nyizo kutuka. Because that's all it gives you.
Gabie kato mulemu. Let's take a break. Tukomeo otubolire. There's something I want to ask you. Tavao, tugenda kumulamu katono nnyo. We have Gabie and Ntaate. Tukomeo nekitundu ekisembayo. Tunabayo simune bogerako nawe. You okay? She has a concert by the way. She has a dinner Yes, very soon, next Friday.
Next Friday.
I'm going to tell you about that as well. Final, yes, segment of the show. Gabie has a dinner organized to celebrate her music. Watuse, enyimba taina nyingi nnyo, but ezentono zaina are really, really impactful. They're very, very good sound to the soul. Tickets is, you know, what were VIP ticket? Yeah, 1 million. That's a table, and then is a fee. Yes, igenda kubeera wali ku Arirang Nakasero.
Arirang Nakasero. Tugenda beerawo ku Lwokutaano. That's next Friday. In the evening from 5 to 11. So it's a dinner. Tugenda kuliza music wa Mukama. Tugenda kuliza ebirala. What more can I sing? Because people believe I sing only gospel music. Naye I sing other music only that. Naye bino kuba ne impact. But I know kuba ne impact. It may not be gospel, but it has also an impact on somebody. It's basically what I change aiming. So I have a dinner next Friday. Actually, one of my colleagues here, Alex, my producer, nagamba you need a listeners na tena abantu nga bachinsaba naye nga manya asinakula ku level ya concert is big, so ngamba what can I really do. So when he brought the idea, I bought it, and I knew that people wanted something.
And whose idea was it to call yourself the Queen of Soul?
Me, my idea, because I sing soul music. When I realized people love it and relate to it, I was like, yeah, maybe I'm. Do
you know one about soul music?
Yeah, there's a lot of people that do that. Shifel Musisi, Muyimba. I've seen a few, but of course, but a lot of people do that. Nava does that a bit. Nava.
Muyimba soul at the dinner.
Yes, I'm planning to do that. People that bayimbira omwoyo. So kuyingira mitwalo 10 Olwokutaano olujja kuva saa 11. Emitwalo 10 nawulidde abantu nange so sente nga nnyingi naye kuliko emmere. It's a dinner take ku mitwalo 10 ejo ogenda kulyako emmere. So I believe it's lenient enough. Table, bw'oba yagala table kuliko abantu 7 ya million emu. You come and support and enjoy, and we have a lovely evening. Manyi galina okubeera nga gaddibwa manyi gojja kubeerayo kyekyo mateeka.
Tikati yange Andrew yagiina etambulira mu nsawo ye namanya nyezo
giso. Neremi agugaba mateeka. So I know n'abantu abali bamanyi nti bajja kujja this coming Friday. Atene ku live anchiranga. So muchejumbire, come through. Let us have a nice evening. Let us, get to talk about so many things that, ate totya kutuukirira muntu ng'olina ekizibu. You always come through. We shall always give you the ear. And we shall always do what we can do to help.
Okay. So, oyinayo buyimba obulala? Like which one? Obutali?
Nga tebulina fuluma?
Obutali bwa Mukama?
Yes,
nga obwa love, for example.
I have a love song. It's for married people, or people that have been staying together, like in a format of marriage. Ngo muntu achuse. This is not what you expected them to be. Tewasubira bino naye ate webiri. What do you do? Do you just get up and walk out? You can always talk to them. I believe it's single bukulu kwe kubeera tosoka giving up.
Yakatuyimbire tuuli.
Kaino kuyimbibwa ku dino ko.
Tekanafuluma. Okalonjinga kwolo.
Yes, so it's more like the wife talking to the husband of naengera tamulekeredde. You don't just say engeri jonkoze bino ntambudde ngenze. You can actually win by praying, or munno namanya tomulekeredde. Like I'm not giving up on you. Wadde nti bino mbiraba nabyo bigenda kola ki bigenda kuyitawo. So basically that's more of what the song is about. Naye nga nina n'obulala, because on that dinner I personally will perform over 7 to 8 songs. Yes, and the crowd only knows 3.
Neziri zewaddukamu ezo wazisuula kasasiro.
Nakuzijjukira.
Okay, so oli mulaavu?
Mulaavu?
You're married.
I'm not married.
Gabie, I know he's not married.
I'm not married.
Ati abasajja.
Sibatya, but I'm not married. Yes. But
you're just in love.
In love? Possibly.
Possibly.
Possibly, but no, I'm not married.
Okay, but you would love to get married?
Definitely. I'd love to get married, have a family of my own. Yes, I would.
And I wish you the best.
Amen.
And marriage is a beautiful thing.
Amen.
When you meet the right person.
True.
The one Katonda gwe yakutonera. Ate gwe weesimye God communicates to you. Ajja kugamba, Gabie, awe mama azavaawo.
He has done that already, so. But I know sigwamo. So yeah, I know I'll get married to a good man, a good partner, a good father, a good friend. Yeah, and a God-fearing man.
Okay. Do you sometimes sit there and think your life would be different if your parents were with you?
Yes, I do. But I don't sichigenda nyola. Kuba nchimanyi it's not going to be possible, so sichigenda nyola.
Okay. Kale nage ndimulekwa naye. Bwatyo Katonda. Nina bintu ebintuseeko in life, and I knew if my dad was here, like atebyandibaddewo. Yeah, but such is life. I'm going to give you a chance to call and talk to Gabie Ntaate. Abalina sente nga mwagala otusasula. I'm not supporting her. Mugule ku tickets. So Gabie, tetugenda bars where she needs to make money and record more music. You know, music is becoming very expensive.
I know.
We need videos for that song, Joe Gambie Yoksat.
Ninze. Hey.
Cause again it ninze.
It's more like twemulugunya nyeri mukama ne twerabira nti wali wabali obubi okusinga ffe. So it goes, embeera y'abantu yeewuunyisa otunula n'ogamba mukama nsonyiwa okwemulugunya ku bye sirina ng'eriyo atalina nakyalina ng'ate amanyi n'okumusinza ng'era amanyi n'okumugamba weebale kasita ndi mulamu eriyo atalina nakyalina ng'ate teyerabira Katonda ng'era amanyi n'okumugamba ninze weebale nsaba osonyiwa obutali bugumiikiriza bwange kaninde ababonaaboneyo be bangi okunsinga nsonyiwa mukama okwemulugunya ennyo bwe ntyo ninze ninze. So it goes like that.
Wow, you have a beautiful voice. Do you work on it? Or gikolerera oba gukasosumulula byekola byeka?
I know that it could be better if I trained it more.
So what are you waiting for?
I'm going to train.
Mutrainingira wa Jamal yatugamba yagenda nga wagulu mu nsozi.
You need to go to a place where you're not shouting for people, because you can't train a voice without
shouting,
escalating it to higher octaves and all. So you know, genda wantu nga bambi togenda kalubiza abantu sikaninze.
Olaba music omulaba agenda wa? Would you take it on a bya serious? Olabika okyali mu kusaaga?
Tiri mu bya kusaaga. Meanwhile, I will take it and nchitwaliriza. Ngezako laba nti nchiteka mu nyamanyi. Luli nali obeera nga abatisa, and then you see the response that people are getting. They need more of it. So yes, nyina chiteka mu amanyi ndabe, because I want to be able to go out there and minister to many people that are not just in my country, and you know, be able to get.
Wagenda ofukirawo musumba.
I preach.
Do you see yourself kukatuti? You do?
Yes, I do. But I'm not a pastor, because obusumba is a calling. One I know for a fact I've not received. Unless I receive it, nedda. Nayenga, I do preach, I do tell the word of God, I do go into the pulpit and say what has to be said. Nayenga sirichi, siri musumba. I don't have that calling. Atenga singa buli omu abasinga bali basobola okukkiriza nti bagirina tebandi wabizannyo ki bantu.
Okay. Bishop yokola ngojeko kwogera ne Katonda in your free time?
I actually write a lot. I write, so in the near future, I hope to be publishing my books. I write.
Hey, have you done that?
Yes.
Author Gabie Ntaate.
Yes.
Write about what exactly? Your challenges, your life?
I write about, I believe there is nothing like my life. Singayali, well, something like my life, we wouldn't have things in like similarities, but because this is our life. So I write about awarenesses of different things. I have written one about the mental struggles. It's not a death penalty. You can live with it and actually have a good life. I have written one about life. as the other person and life with God and how they meet in between. I have written several books about your inner peace. No. I want to first know that I have
a shelf number.
No, of course, but you need the good publicist. You need the money. You need a lot. And I want to, of course, become that activist of a few challenges of life. Kwegamba, just to my entire life, my dream is to make sure that I lift others up in one way or the other.
First, what demo music, because that is amazing. I have your audio momotoka.
And you know that even Muslims, my music cuts really across, and I thank the Lord for it.
And I listen. Will you be selling CDs?
Yes, I will be selling CDs. Ku dinner bambi mujje mumpagire mujje mubeerewo mujje tubeere n'akawungeezi ak'essanyu akawungeezi ak'ettendo and more. I do sing soul music, so I have the blessing to, you know, make sure that I give you what you need from the gospel side to the
abali munyike come abali happy come.
Abali happy, everybody come through sika nene nnyo. So
what time does it end?
It ends at 11 or less.
Okay, we are not just going to listen to you, we shall even interact.
Yes, we shall interact, we shall talk about a few things in life. I love to learn from people, because you can't know everything.
Definitely.
Tenga n'omugwagwa alina kyakugamba ng'akikusinziza.
Waliyo abagwagwa?
Yes, there are people that are foolish, even the Bible says that, they're just foolish. Naye alina kyayinza okugamba awo.
Ekikwewuunyisa. Twambala tutya? Ku dinner? Smart.
Yeah, you be smart, elegant, and decent.
Okay, what do you red carpet?
Red carpet, yes.
Red carpet.
Red carpet weri, but twaze kulya.
Kyekikulu, eh?
Nze walya emmere.
Ate Gabie olabika olya nnyo.
Njagala emmere, my food. Siyagala byakutawanya mmere yange kale. Yeah.
Kugiyiwa?
Sagala kubeera ku mmere yange, tuve ne ku kyemmere.
How do you keep in shape? And let's first hear what your people have to say. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. How do you keep in shape?
I work out.
Nyo.
Mwenda sisala nnyo kukifaako kukiteeka wala naye like olaba ng'omubiri gutandise okuyiikamu. N'okikwatamu olaba gutereddemu n'okkakkanamu.
Otera kukola biki? Kudduka? Kumaginga?
Okudduka si nnyo taken. I have that problem with my breath, so si nnyo naye ate neera the more you do it actually you get used. But I do carry a simple weight. I do make sure that I put parts of my body to exercise so that they firm.
Okay. Naka watu nakoni kuongera kushapinga. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Farida.
Wanje.
Wasuzumutya mukwa.
Bulungi nnyo okufa ofi, wasuzumutya ssebo.
Wasuzumutya natya Gabie.
Kyenti oli otya?
Nze tujja matoku Davis bukakata kulinya.
Owa bukakata onaatuuka on time ku dinner. Oba oyagala kumubuuzaako. Munange nga yeffe.
Yeffe. Amina.
So inspirational.
Thank you.
Kati ogenda gula ticket ojje omulabeko. Mitwalo 10. Tukuweereza namba ya mobile money oba onaatuukira ano ogule. Wow.
Tugenda giteekako.
Kale batulabira bebukakata. Thank you so much for calling. Hello. Hello. Omanyita abantu bangi. I'm sure nawe ukisanga eyo they don't believe you're the one who sings that.
Yeah, that's true.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my dear. Good morning.
Good morning to you. How are you?
We are very well. Thank you. ate agala kuyitamu. Yes, oyisemu. Hello? Hello? Tickets tuzisanga at Serena?
You can get tickets at Serena when you go NTV front desk. Osobola zifuna. Jude Color Solutions nayo eri mu kutunda tickets, sorry. House of Tamara naye atunda tickets. So genda ku Jude Color Solutions bali awo ku Prime Complex, Johnson Street eduka C24. Okay. Ku Prime Complex obojo osobola basanga batunda tickets na wano ku Serena tickets are being sold. Yeah.
Ate wali ku mulyango.
Ku mulyango nakwo kuliko tickets, so musobola kuyingira ngosasulidde ku mulyango.
Okay.
Entira kuba kino ekyokufuna tickets kituyamba okola preparations mangu.
Ntumanya abani abajja tables mekaze tubategekera. Okay. Hello? Hello? Wanje? Sebo tukuwulidde?
Balida ndi musanyufu nnyo okutuleeta omusaala oyo.
Omwagala nnyo?
Balida ndina kyenkusaba oba twegayirire bwegayirire wa Lusimbi.
Ajje ku show.
Yes.
Okay.
Tetumanyi kye tugenda okola. Kino ekibuuzo kyange tugenda eri Gabie naye atusurprisinze nnyo. Bade tumusuubira kubeera mu ddiini.
Oya owuunya.
Nkyewuunyiza nnyo Gabie.
Nange.
Naye nsaba Gabie Mukama Katonda omuteeke ne mu nnyambala yeyoka ye tuliko ku raadiyo.
Gabie ng'ayambadde bulungi.
Byonna Gabie tetulina buzibu tugenda kuwagira Gabie.
Amiina.
Oyambala bubi. Merci nnyo.
Tumanya alina ayinza okuba alina kyalabi
ayagala oyambala eggomasi.
Munnange.
Oba maxi. But anyway, yeah, that is a choice she can only make. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello, Gabie.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you? Sorry.
Fine. Bewunyiza okulaba nange. I'm so shocked by a show you ngiraba. Yes, I'm so shocked ukuthi ovaamu ebigambo ebirungi bwe bityo.
Kikiribwa n'ettendo lya Mukama.
Kirungi nnyo. Naye kyembuuza tewatubuulidde wasoma wa primary, secondary, wasomera wa?
Primary, since I attended different schools, nasomera Gayaza Junior School, nemalira ku Shimoni Demonstration School. Secondary nensoma O level at Chambogo College School, nemalira ku St. Lawrence. A level nensomera Enalia SS, nemalira ku St. Noah.
Watambula.
Tourist.
Okay. Then no matter no weyongera higher.
Yes, nemala nengenda ku university, nengenda Makerere University when namala nensoma ne diploma in fashion and design.
Hey, you're a fashion designer? Maybe you wabitwala wala.
Nabitwala, but it needed some money. The glow needs some money. So since I'm getting some money, hey, I'm going to put it.
Was specializing in chotunga?
I do everything. Yes. Everything.
Okay, tufune sponsor.
Tufune sponsor. Era we tufuna sponsor tewali kisobola kulema.
Okay. Nkulaba kati nga ayagala okuduka ku live way anti ofuuse busy obuulira enjiri.
Naye omanyi n'okubeera multi active nakyo kibaguba. It's a blessing.
Kirabo. Okay, and it keeps you busy. Oya onekikujjako ebyandi ku stress nze. What is your highlight of life? Love you. What has been your highlight? Jukira n'ogamba this one is very memorable. I can never forget it.
My highlight is the time when I almost lost my life at the wrong time. I almost lost my life at the wrong time, but I'm glad.
Wrong time?
Yeah, it was the wrong time for me to die.
Nali
sinnaba kubeera nga nzize eri Mukama.
Wali ofunye accident?
It was one of those few times when this happens to you and you don't know how to deal, and that time I think it had gone kyagenda ate bubi nnyo. I could have died that day, but I didn't. So I'm glad, not because I'm alive, but because I didn't die then. Because then I think I would have
God wouldn't let you die before doing what He created you
but
to
I'm
do.
glad nti kyenkola kati kyankozesa chimpe essanyu all through.
Oh, congratulations on not dying.
That day. Because there is no congratulating on not dying. You are going to die.
Yeah, tujja kufa. Nze nchanya nnyo okufa. Sitya nnyo okufa because I know tewali way out. Ntya okufa okuleka abantu benjagala people I treasure. Ate ntya n'okunteeka mutaka. I wish
you wish they could ban you.
Nebandekayo nga sina gwe ngamba. But anyway, singa kutya kuleka abantu bange. I can imagine my kids without me. Yeah, aliko simu. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Rita.
How are you?
Fine, never experienced that one, no.
Okay, oyagala nkuweereza ticket?
Yes, of course. You know, I experienced it.
Okay, onagikima ku Serena?
Next Serena, so you did it, well.
Tukole ya table ya...
Why? Inside, yeah. Welcome, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, dear. Amina.
Kakati, mukama mwebaza oluyimba lwo. Oluyimba, ndona kwenye babazuddeyo nali manyi genzekka olina. Kakati bwe balekeka mama Sina.
Amen.
Now, the actor have never written used to that scene. We were also for you. We went around and that MWASUZEMUTYA, so when you are Maria, na candidate take over. I think most things that can bring over the thing that can take it up.
Amen.
Kale, thank you so much, my dear. Network etebadde very, very clear. Aina kayogedde yali amanyi olimba ekaya alwina.
Yagenda okulaba nga naye lumusobedde n'okuba nti yagamba yeebaza okuba nti nateekamu Mama Fina. I think mostly because of what I've said. Nti, yeah, and she's a great woman. She's a great woman. Oli bwabanga she has meetings. If you've met Mama Fina, then you know what I'm talking about. Yes.
You don't even have to have met her. She's been everywhere and everybody has seen what she's done. She's touched so many lives.
That's true.
Yeah, zamanyi nokunkubirako nga alina we yandabye.
Nga yakulabye ng'oli mu kuteeku ddemudde.
Nga waliwo ekyambaddeko waliwo bakye banjogedde biki nakubirako bambi nagamba. Abo baveeko balalu. Hello, ali ku simu. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Wanji.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
my dear. Tukwaniriza nnyo.
Morning, Farida.
Good morning. How are you?
Hello.
Good morning. Because you're listening to
your
us through your TV. Kendeze Dobosco TV. Okay? We must have lost her. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Jebaliko.
Kale nadebe.
Kale.
Mwebaliko.
Kale sebo. Nawe mu Jebaliko.
Omuwala oyo.
Omukyalo ono.
Omukyala
Yes.
Nina ekintu kye njagala okumwebazaako. Muwala wa kabi mu ndabika. Naye yeekubaliza ddala ng'omuntu ogwa bulijjo. Ate kakati ekiseera kye ekyokusumulukira ddala kyekino kituuse.
Amina.
Naye musaba asigale nga bw'ali.
Nja kusigala nga bwendi.
Agenda kweyongera kufuuka wa kabi nnyo. Naye Gabie sigala nga bw'oli. Ebiwaawaddiro tebimera.
Amina.
Nze bampita Christ Goloba ndi wano Mengo.
Kale mukulu Goloba. Ndowooza tunakusangayo kwaliranga.
Tujja musanga.
Okay, thank you.
Amina.
Thank you so much.
inshallah.
Kale se we'll see you then.
Ekintu kyayogedde nkisabira nnyo
Oleme kuwuguka.
kubanga back then I was a very proud person. Nali so proud nga nze tolina kifaida kyongamba. I thought I was too good at everything. Naye kyaffecting obulamu bwo, and you can't love God while you're proud. He hates the proud. Naye abantu kyebalina okumanya nti wadde eri Mukama, your traits don't just fall off. Ebintu by'ebyobadde oyisamu tebigwa bugwi. So it's a process. N'okusaba n'okusiiba engeri ezimu zikuveeko biba bikwate ate ng'olina obisabira bikuveeko. So nkisabira nnyo nti Mukama singa neerabangamu omuntu oyo afazaali oba onkomya, kuba saagala kubeera nga nina kyeŋŋamba abantu nga sikiri, mpulira nga I'm betraying. Ate nga that is a trait I used to have so much even when I was nothing. Naye yagenda kinyambako n'akinyambako. I can't say I'm perfect. Nkimanyi nti kigenda naye nga nkimwebaliza.
Humility. It's a virtue. Kintu buli muntu kyandibadde yenyumirizamu. Wagambye olina few friends, like 3?
Yeah.
Is there a reason, particular reason?
I have made the wrong friends for a very long time. They never really last, and sometimes you even start thinking, but even my friends can testify that few, when I love someone, I like go out of my way for you, such that in case anything goes wrong, naye nenebaza Mukama nti abaliwo kati webali my best friends. I have I can batumirako Vivian Nabagereka. I studied with her from high school. She's one of my best friends, and mwebaliza Mukama mwana atya Mukama asayo nnyo mwoyo ta giving up. Nenebaliza ne omwami Cyprian Tumushabe. He's one of my best friends as well. Naye mwebaza okubeera nti abaddewo ku Rurange. Nenebaza omumbejja wange Rehema Nakitto.
Ye Remi.
Repi.
Ye Nakitto.
Naye mwagala nnyo because she's one of my best friends. I have like 4. Nenebaza n'omwami Sozi Rogers. He's one of my best friends. I have those 2 boys who are my closest friends, and those 2 girls who are my closest friends. Gwesogedde nkwagala nnyo, but those are my closest friends, and that is like my circle. Yes.
Nakitto Remi Rema ajadi kusho. Mugambe nawuli yali dancer.
Yali dancer ne ngobanga tamanyi kuzina.
She was a miss. Which school was that? Kalika Beauty je kasomera. There is a recording I saw on Facebook. Kalika Narulonji of sorts. Yeah, Remy, thank you for being. Now that you two are very close, you're shame mujajitambuza. You have no reason to start fighting.
Tuyomba ne munyigira na era gonyigira goleterese
mmere.
Buli omuteri bantu bateyombesa. Era okinyigira no mayano kiretere mmere kiriye no kiretere byokulya kiriye kizo okufanga tekiridde.
Okay, thank you so much, Gabie, for coming.
Welcome.
I wish you the best in whatever you're doing. May you get better with your challenge attacks. May your show, your dinner be a success. May it be an opening for so much more for your music career.
Yes.
And may you be a blessing to the people in your life.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Music Wasingo Kuberoko Ntaate. And my Instagram page is Ntaate 7 Her Majesty. Na yera bona atekera mu Ntaate ojabbo kiraba Ntaate 7 Her Majesty. Facebook page Gabie Ntaate. Follow me because I'm always posting more about the inspiration about God. Ebintu ebitini byetugabana mwawo. It's more of the life I really live out there.
Okay.
To make sure that someone.
Her dinner is on the 29th.
29th. That's next Friday.
Yes.
Au ku Arirang Hotel.
Moje muwagire Gabie wafe omubwati abeo. Bye for now. Have a beautiful weekend. We'll see you again on Monday. Inshallah. Akume.